coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got another one from ZenPop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenators, and get yourself a discount. Today I have Nissin Menshokunin Koidashi Agodashi Ramen from Japan. Yep. This is a really good range of instant noodle, let me tell you. It's good stuff. I've had plenty of them, and I think I liked all of them, honestly. So we got oh, look at those. I don't know if that's flour foo or just kamaboko. That might be flour foo. Flour foo's fun. It's basically little pieces of bread that look like flowers. A little bit of foo. So you never know, they might hydrate really well and all that. Noodle block, nice quality. And a little push down. There you go. We got 4 minutes on the clock, starting now. Let it loosen up a little bit in here. So yeah, what have you? What are you doing? What's your problem? Why are you? Nah, I don't think you got a problem. I think you're alright. But yeah, it's the big show. And I am like almost rummy from being tired. Yeah. My feet are killing me from walking so much. 20 miles in 2 days. I used to be able to do 20 miles in a day. I gotta get these feet back in action. Working on it. But yeah, gonna make pizza tonight. Gonna make the dough, gonna use some ragu sauce, gonna use we're just gonna make cheese pizza. She likes cheese pizza, so I figure that'd be a fun thing to do. And I ordered like a cheap checkers set off of Amazon that should be here between 5 and 10 p.m. Hopefully closer to 5, and I want to teach her how to play checkers. Sounds easy enough. I think we'll be able to do that. I think she'll learn it pretty easy. I mean, it's really not a hard game, right? It's checkers. I think I remember how to play checkers. It's not hard. What I need to do is get the mail and take the trash out. We're gonna do that. I've got like a bunch of recycling. I wish I would have gotten more beverages too. They're heavy. I still push her around in the stroller. She doesn't really. She does fit. She can't wear the little strap things, but we can go miles and miles in that thing, blasting music, and it's all good. I don't know how long that's going to last. She'll be in kindergarten in the fall. But not too bad for a $90 Walmart stroller I got in 2018. So, God, that blows my mind. God, she was like 2? Really? I was pushing her in the stroller when she was 2. And she'll be 6 in December. I think I got that stroller in November of 18. So yeah, she would have been, she wasn't 1. I don't know. I'm miffed. It seems like forever ago. But she's a great little traveling companion. She'll like say, hey, what's that? And ask me questions about it. I'll have to turn down the music and stuff. But yeah, it's good. It's a good little thing to do. If you got kids, go take them all over the place and blast your tunes. We've got a pair of W King 70 watt Bluetooth speakers that are connected wirelessly in stereo that go to this phone. It's got a pair of, God, I can't remember how many lumen lights they are, but they're just like so bright that they will blind people. And they've got those Cree ultra bright LEDs in them. And we got Christmas lights all over the thing. So that's fun. Oh, and I have a dash cam. The camera you're watching me on right now was unscrewed from this stand, and I've got a post on the stroller in one of the, what used to be a drink holder, and I just screw it on, lock it with some washers, and it's good to go. And I just put it in steady mode, go all over the place, and it records the whole thing. It's better if we, it works better if we're not moving, because all the little course corrections and steering, you play that really fast and it's just kind of like but in certain spots it works really, really well. And these noodles look like they came out beautifully. And there's all these little cutesy flowers in there. Look at that. I looked over that way because I figured I'd immediately get, I want to look. And then she'll go, oh. So this will either be something I really like or dislike, because I have a feeling this is going to be like very bonito-y. I could be wrong. Why ain't no more music playing there? Come on, Bo Cephas. Get off your hamster wheel. There we go. Jeez, Bo Cephas. You can't get on your hamster wheel that long. You took off your Band-Aid? Okay. You can put it in there. I'm not giving you a new one right now. I'm doing my show. If Mimi has the slightest little tiny dot on her, she requires a Band-Aid. Any discoloration, any imperfection, she needs a Band-Aid. Oh, you have a tiny red dot. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Here's the broth. Very dark, murky. Is this made of koi? Koidashi? It's very, it's kind of rich. It's weird. I will have to say I'm not sure that I'm like super keen on this one. And I'm also going to say I don't know that an egg's going to work so well with it, which really is a bummer because I've got all these eggs. But once you see this broth, oh come on, don't bug me while I'm working. Never call me at the office. No, I've been getting like harassed by people lately. It's ridiculous. Like, I can't do anything because people all want to talk to me, and I'm like, I'm busy. I got stuff to do, and they're like, I want to talk to you, Ramen. I want to talk to you right now. I had a guy contact me about he does these shirts that are a magazine. I'm like, oh, are you asking for a review? No, I want you to wear one of my issues. I'm like, okay. And then he wants me to pay shipping. And I'm like, okay, whatever. And then it won't take my zip code. It's like, I don't know. That kind of stuff, like, it's like, you really want promo. I don't know. I've all but lost interest, and I think just the idea that they want me to pay shipping on something that's promoting them. That doesn't sound fun at all. What do we got here? We got some chicken. I'm gonna put some chicken in here. Shred it a little bit, I think. This isn't shredding. I made it yesterday. There's some chicken. And there's a little bit of shichimi. I don't know what else to do with this. I don't know that I really find this all that wonderful. It's kind of, it's strange to me. This is kind of strange. Somebody out there might like it. Give it a try. Cheers. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is Maro-san Ramen Maikagura Kanshu Truffle Kaoru Tori Paitan from Japan and also from Zenpop. Go to Zenpop JP. Use the coupon code TheRamenRater and get yourself a discount. That's what you do. If you want it. If you don't, fine by me. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye!